This is Kanukarazu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain the system approach to management. So here is, we have different types of the approaches to management, like decision making approach, contingency approach. So whenever the manager take the decision, that is called as a decision making approach. That is next here is a today in this video I will explain this one, system approach to management. So here is, what is system? For example, organization is a system. In that organization we have different types of the departments, like finance, marketing, HR, systems, technology, R&D, sales, production. These are all the departments in every organization. Those department, it is called as a subsystems. So similarly, in that department it is also called as a system. In that department we have subsystems, like different sections. Those sections, it is called as a subsystems. So for example, in other words, for example, in our human body is a maybe system. So in our human body we have different types of the subsystems, like nervous system, digestive system, and also we have different types of the parts, eyes, nose, heart, and then these are all the subsystems of the our human body. So similarly here also, according to the functions system approach to management, the functions of management can be divided into where we have two categories, interlinked and interdependent. So here is interlinked is, this is the image or diagram representation of the interlinked one: planning, then organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So what is this one is, it is interlinked to the planning, to the organizing to the staffing, and staffing to the directing, and directing to the controlling. So this is a interlinked to the each and every function of the management. Similarly, the second one is interdependent. This is the second one in this one system approach to management, interdependent. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the, or maybe figure representation of the interdependent one. So here is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So here is the first function of the planning and end function of the controlling. So here is the case is, we have to identify the managerial problem. And last one is, here you have to give the, you have to go for a solution. So that's why, so it is a interdepending of the each and every function. Suppose for example, whenever we go for a take the feedback, for example, if the feedback, maybe we can take the feedback from the staffing. We go for a if there is any deviations in staffing function, we can take the earlier functions. Earlier function may be organizing and planning. So this is the information about the interdependent one. So here is, so what I am saying is, system approach to management means, in every organization we have maybe objectives. How to reach that objectives means, with only organization it is not possible to reach the that particular objectives. We have to interlinked and interdepending of the some of the functions, like these are all planning, or maybe organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Then only possible we have to reach the organizational goals and objectives. So thank you for